Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday everyone. A very good evening to all watching this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy Windows Defender application control. And this is going to be a complete tutorial, hands-on tutorial, let's say. Previously, I had made a detailed video or tutorial on how to deploy Defender's device control capabilities. This video is about how to control usage of applications, okay? And if you work in an IT-based environment, okay, or if you work for an organization, okay, and maybe as an endpoint security specialist, this video is going to be very helpful. And if you're eager to learn about Defender's security products and its suite, this video is going to be very helpful for you. Let's quickly get started, guys. And let's say, guys, currently I have Chrome running on my device. Okay, if I want to block the execution of Chrome, how am I going to do that? Using device control, sorry, using application control for business is what I'm going to show you now. Let's quickly log into Intune portal, guys. Intune.microsoft.com. All right, and I'll just go to endpoint security here. And here what you will see is you'll see something called app control for business. Just click on that, guys, and then click on create policy. But before that, you would need an XML file, guys. All right. So for customizing your policy, okay, there is something called app control wizard offered by Microsoft. It was designed by one of the Microsoft engineers, okay, and you can see if you go to settings, right, you can see the name of the engineer who has developed this product called Jordan. Now what you have to do is using this app control policy wizard, so you can download it from the Microsoft website here, control wizard. Type this, you will get a first link, okay. So just click on this here. So yeah, you come to this website, you just have to click on this wizard install, guys, and you will easily get this application. And you have to just open it, and you also need something called .NET runtime, okay, which automatically during the installation it will come. Okay, here it looks like this once you open it. Okay, and if I just show you this one over here, the downloaded package. Okay, if you just open it, you'll get something like this. Okay, but in order to launch it, it will tell you to install .NET runtime. Okay, I can quickly show you that one as well. Go to appwiz.cpl. You'll see this is the one that you need to install as a prerequisite called Microsoft Windows Desktop Runtime. Okay, it's basically .NET framework component, guys. Okay, and then what you have to do now is it's already launched here. Sorry, over here you will see something called policy creator. Just click on that, and what you have to do is you can choose either of these options. Okay, I will choose the first one, multiple policy format. Okay, and I will just click on select base policy here. Click on next, and I will choose this third option. Okay, which is more comprehensive and a more customizable option, the last one. Okay, and you can see this is the place where the policy is going to get saved, as in the XML policy. I'll click on next here, and I will leave all the options as defaults. There is nothing to customize or modify here. It's all the best options that is already selected. Okay, here is where the important thing comes. Okay, so if you want to enforce the policy in audit mode or block mode, basically, okay, to toggle this switch towards the left means you are going to deploy the policies as enforce mode or block mode, basically. Okay, you have to click on next here. Now what you have to do is click on add custom rule here. Here's where what the important thing comes in. You have to select the rule action as deny. Click on this drop down menu, select path here, go to browse. Now here what you have to do is go to program files, Google, then Chrome, application, and select this exe file over here, and then you have to say click create rule. Okay, so deny rule is created over here below the allow rules. Okay, now what you have to do is click next, and the policy file will be exported in this path. All right, now what you have to do is you have to go to Intune portal, basically say test doc. Okay, name it like this and say next, and just expand this. You will have the option to upload the XML data. Browse, go to your file where it's saved, this one. I will select it, say next, and scope tags will be default. Say next. Here what I will do is I will say add all devices or add all users. Okay, you can specify a group too. Okay, that's not a problem at all. And then what you have to do is click on create, and then that's the policy created, guys. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to just enforce the policy. You can just run a manual sync here. Okay, and by going to devices, selecting my device. This is my device, guys. I can run a manual policy sync as well. You can just click on here, or you can click the sync button here. Okay, sync has been initiated. Now what I will do is just go to access work or school under accounts section, expand this one, click on info here, and then I have to just click on device sync status. Here says sync button, just click on that, and you'll see the timestamp changing here quite faster. And Microsoft, in my opinion, is one of the offers one of the best products, guys, particularly with regards to the security portfolio. Okay, currently I think it's one of the best endpoint security products in the market. Everybody are opting Microsoft's security suite, and it's and impressed with their security capabilities basically. Okay, because it easily gets integrated with anything, almost anything. Okay, now that's done, guys, and I will just open it. But let's wait for some time. Probably we need to run a couple more syncs here. So it's still not working. Just hold on. So what we can do is we can go to devices and we can go to configuration to look into the status of the policy. Here is where we have created this policy, guys. To know here it will show whether the policy application has been successful or not. Additionally, what we can do is we can go to MS Info 32. Here, if you see, you have to see this the important thing, app control for business, whether it's in enforce mode or whether it's in audit mode. That's the important thing. So currently the enforce mode denotes that the policy has been enforced successfully. And there you go, guys. Now we are getting this pop-up. It says your organization used app control for business to block this app. And so that's evident that the policy has been enforced successfully on my device. Okay, and the intended action is successfully executed. That is to block this application. Okay, so this is how we do it, guys. And if you just wait for some time, you will see a successful report also getting generated. Okay, you will see on how many devices this policy has been successfully applied to. All right. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the upward button, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful technical videos like this regarding cybersecurity or endpoint security or any topic, etc. Meet me in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Cheers. Bye bye.